In the heat of the summer season, one of my favorite gardening activities is creating colorful combination containers that'll look good on any patio. Today's Southern Gardening is visiting the back patio landscape of master gardeners Terri and Jeff. I'm so impressed that Jeff built this gorgeous pergola structure that creates the perfect setting to relax around the center focal point fireplace. Colorful combination containers are the perfect choice to add color and interest. I love this set of blue ceramic containers, different sizes and set on different levels. The purple scaevola complements the blue veronica and pink Temari verbena. I really like the lacy leafed verbena that I call that funky blue verbena. My favorite summer color combos have to include diamond frost euphorbia and dusty miller. Along with the Victoria blue salvia, the combination of these cool colors helps to highlight the brightness of the pink Temari verbena and the bright golden yellow of the creeping jenny. Not all containers need to be on the ground, like this coir basket cart. The arching growth of red dragonwing begonia is perfect paired with the Indian summer coleus. Many patios use paver walls to line landscape beds, and I don't think there's anything better than the golden orange-yellow flowers of spreading sunset lantana. While it's not grown in a container, lantana is a hot weather loving plant that will spill over the wall and soften the hard edges. So use your imagination and create combination containers to brighten your porch or patio. I'm horticulturist Gary Bachman, and I'll see you next time on Southern Gardening.